Guys, welcome to Vanessa Tries. So y'all know we got a new thing to try, girl. We got the pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen. It come with whipped cream on top of it. Baby, this look like it's gonna be good. It came up to be five, 517, 540 something. I don't know. Let's try it. Ooh, look at it, y'all. Ooh. And it said it got real pumpkin in it, too. That is good as stuff. Ooh, I done wasted all on my steering wheel. Ooh, I wasted, y'all. Ooh, ooh, I wasted. Ooh, let's try some more. Um, um. You can kind of taste the real pumpkin in it, y'all. It's like they put the pumpkin pie mints up in there, y'all. Um, it kind of tastes like baby food. Just saying. mm, mm. It got little chunks of pumpkin crust up in there. Mm. Oh, oh, bitch, look at the scenery, y'all. Oh, look at the scenery. Oh, let me show y'all the scenery. Oh, look at the scenery, y'all. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it kind of melting too. Mm. I think I seen on Instagram they came out with 7 flavors of these. I only seen 2 flavors. I seen the pumpkin pie and the other one too. But this one right here. Mm, mm. This one right here. Good as the fuck. I take a thumbnail. Oh, let's wait till people pass by. Mm-hmm. That's good. What question want? Mm. Yeah, I about to ate this. I'm about to eat this, y'all. Mm. Man, this is good as the fuck. Dog, look. I'm about to eat the fuck out of that. At this point, it's just milk. No. I'm gonna let that look on. It took me 6 minutes to eat this burger. This is just a medium. Baby. Look, y'all. That's good as fuck. So, y'all, welcome to Vanessa Tries. And I just reviewed and tried another DQ Blizzard. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Follow my social media down below. Use my discount code. I'll see y'all in the next video. So, alright guys. Bye.